Birch reduction, and we have seen this Birch reduction is a also called metal dissolving reduction and take place in presence of sodium, potassium or lithium metals which are dissolved in liquid ammonia. So when we perform this Birch reduction of alkyne, when we perform Birch reduction of alkyne, this give rise to transalkene. So reaction is stereospecific. Okay, reaction is stereospecific, and you get only product which is transalkene. Now let us look over the mechanism of this reaction. Remember one thing, whenever you perform any reaction with sodium, potassium or lithium, that reaction always take place by single electron transfer. That means that reaction will always results in a formation of free radicals. Okay, it will be always be free radicals will be there. So you have alkyne. First of all, this sodium, say we take sodium, it is dissolved in liquid ammonia. When sodium metal is dissolved in liquid ammonia, it gives lot of its electrons to liquid ammonia, and these electrons नाम की जगह अरे बिल्कुल पूरा गया क्या कुछ हो रही है नहीं एनिमल है ही नहीं डाउनलोड कर डाउनलोड में नहीं डाउनलोड
Hello? Hello? Is it visible? Okay. Now, sorry for the... Now, in what
हाँ जी बेटे, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this sodium metal, it gives electrons to this liquid ammonia, and these electrons, they get accumulated around this liquid ammonia to give blue colored solution. If you keep this solvated ammonia solution with electrons for some time, this will get decomposed, and to give rise to a colorless solution, and it will get decomposed with the loss of iodine and hydrogen, and it will become colorless. So basically, this solvated ammonia, it acts as a catalyst. So let us see how. Now suppose you have alkyne, and in presence of this solution, single electron is transferred to this alkyne. So there is a transfer of single electron from this solution. It results in a formation of anion radical. Now, what this anion radical will do? So you have a negative charge over here. So it, from proton source, which is ethanol in this case, we have added ethanol. From ethanol, this will take H plus ion. Now, which position is most stable position? It can take H plus ion so that both alkyl group are on same side. It can take H plus ion in such a way that both alkyl groups, they are on opposite side. So where this H plus group will go? When both alkyl groups are on same side, or when both alkyl groups, they are on opposite side?
Opposite side.
Most preferred position will be when they are on opposite side, because that will be most stable position. So you get vinyl free radical. What will happen next? What will happen next? Bolo. You get vinyl radical. Bolo. Easy है. सारियां चीजें बड़ी
हाइड्रोजन रेडिकल आएगा.
सोडियम तो इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लेगा.
Then it will again take a new electron from this. It will take new electron from this solution. And after taking this new electron, this free radical, it will become anion. And vinyl carbanion, it will again take H plus ion from ethanol to give rise to trans alkene. So in this way, we can either prepare cis alkene or trans alkene from alkyne by using different hydrogenation process. If you carry out hydrogenation in presence of Lindlar catalyst, you will get cis product. But if you carry out the same reduction by using Birch reduction method, sodium in liquid ammonia, you will get trans product. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now next is reduction of aromatic rings. Or hydrogenation of aromatic rings. Now suppose you have benzene. मेरी स्क्रीन विजिबल है ना साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And suppose we do its heterogeneous reduction, say in presence of hydrogen and nickel. What will be product?
Cyclohexane.
Cyclohexane. All double bonds, they will get reduced. You will get cyclohexane. Similarly, if we use phenanthrene, phenanthrene ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? This one. Now, if we carry out reduction of this phenanthrene, which double bond, only one double bond is reduced in this case. In case of benzene, when you do reduction with hydrogen and nickel, all double bonds get reduced. But in case of phenanthrene, only one double bond is reduced. Which one will reduced?
सेंटर वाले बेंजीन ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ
Which center one? This one?
यस सर
This one. 9th and 10th. What is the reason for that? अगर याद होवे last में
यस सर पक्का ਸੀਗਾ
पढ़िਆ ਸੀਗਾ
They have maximum double bond character.
यस
हाँ,
सर
yes, बिल्कुल ठीक. It has maximum double bond character, so it is more reactive. So this double bond is more reactive, and only this double bond is reduced. Similarly, if you take naphthalene, if you take naphthalene, and this is very important, exams with कई बार आया हुआ question, and if you do reduction of naphthalene with hydrogen and nickel, so when only you perform reduction with hydrogen and nickel, initially these two double bonds, they get reduced and you get this product, and this product is also called tetralane. Okay, but if you again reduce it with hydrogen and nickel, these benzene ring is also get reduced and you get decalane. And stereochemistry over here is trans, so you get trans decalane. This question is very important, exam ch aaya hua hai. But if you do reduction with hydrogen and platinum instead of nickel, if you use platinum catalyst, in that case both rings they get reduced, but product is cis decalane. Stereochemistry over 2 hydrogen over A's is cis. Both are on same side. Product is cis decalane. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this was your heterogeneous reduction of aromatic rings. Similarly, if you do reduction of naphthol, ਇਹ ਵੀ question ਆਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ exam ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. If you do reduction of naphthol, beta naphthol. So this is your 2-naphthol or beta naphthol in presence of hydrogen and nickel. So in this case, you get mixture of product. Both rings can be reduced and you get mixture of 2 product. One product is this one. And other product is in which second ring is reduced. So this is a very important question. So here it is 5, 6, 7, 8 tetrahydro naphthol, while here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydro naphthol. Okay, so is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will finish today's lecture over here. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss Birch reduction of aromatic rings. ठीक है, एक ही सी heterogeneous reduction. Tomorrow we will discuss Birch reduction of aromatic rings and its selectivity. So yes, any question if you want to ask. In the meantime, I am taking your attendance. देखो अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो